Okay, so now we're gonna install the Subaru axle on this Subaru. It's an old Subaru GL. One thing you have to see, all right, see this hole here? There's a pin that goes in this hole. Pretty sure it doesn't really matter. Basically, what you'll do when you take it out, you'll get these. Go to Lowe's or something like that. There would be a little tap. This is the one I used. It's a 1/4 inch 16 millimeter for this particular set. And so see how that goes in there. So basically it'll tap it out. It doesn't go all the way through. Basically I just use a nail to just kind of hit it the rest of the way. Because I guess this thing's a little short, but that's what you use to pretty much get it out. If you don't, then anyway, you'll be here all day. So now you just have to line those holes up when you put it in and put the pin in. Just make sure that you get that hole first, and then you can just turn this to wherever you need to, and then that's how you install it. So you'll set this side in there, pin it, and then you put this side in, and then pin it, and then you just put the car back together. In my earlier video, I showed that you have to get this thing at the right angle. You kind of just shake it loose and push up. It comes out really, really easy. I ended up taking off the suspension just to get a little bit more leverage on it, but I don't know if you can do it without doing that. That'd be cool too. But it's just a couple bolts up there, so not too hard to get it out. Just make sure pins go in the right way, and you should be set.